Please select a landing zone. Deploying. Analysis complete. Analysis complete. Analysis complete. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Analysis complete. Analysis complete. The map has been updated. Analysis complete. Analysis complete. Analysis complete. Analysis complete.
Get him!
Analysis complete. Analysis complete.
Go!
Extraction failed.
Subject on board. Leave the rest to us. He's coming too. Roger that.
Analysis complete.
I think that's the target.
Side ops list updated.
Okay, subject is in.
Extra marker placed.
You gotta extract him.
Hey!
Please support helicopter
Roger.
requested. Outpost captured. The map has been updated.
Okay.
This is B-Quad.
Good dog.
Arriving shortly at LZ.
Good dog.
This is B-Quad. I'm stationed at LZ. Gaining altitude. Departing.
Extraction arrived at Mother Base. Development project has been added.
So you finally found that legend of a gunsmith. The guys on the R&D team are dumbfounded. They say he's every bit as good as the stories. With him working for us, you'll be able to customize your weapons. Try it out in the ACC.
Clouds approaching. Please select a mission. Unit dispatched. Please select a mission. Mission accepted. Heading to Central Africa. Mission not accepted. Mission accepted. Heading to Central Africa. Deploying.
Several high-level British CFA officials are being held by their Afrikaner colleagues. One of these prisoners is the rescue target, a guy known as the Viscount. The target's location is unknown, but they're bound to have an interpreter present when they interrogate him. We've used info from the intel unit to predict the interpreter's location. It's on your iDroid. Follow the interpreter and extract the target when you find him. If you're going to use a weapon, be careful not to draw the enemy's attention.
Complete. The map has been updated.
Found the interpreter. Now follow him to the target.
Analysis complete.
That's not the target.
Complete.
Orders are only the Viscount gets rescued. Can't understand why he'd receive special treatment, but I don't imagine it'll be a problem to save the other prisoners too.
Zullen samen ondervragen.
Ja, meneer. Beweeg.
Analysis complete.
The CFA are all business. Hard to believe they're interrogating their own. Situation must be worse than we thought. Make a wrong move, and they could kill the target without warning.
Don't move.
Afrikaans is the lingua franca for mercs in that area.
Analysis
If you're
complete.
going to get any information from interrogations, you'll need an interpreter. But don't extract the interpreter just yet. If he doesn't turn up, they won't be able to do the interrogation. If they then decide the target's no longer any use to them, they won't hesitate to kill him.
Analysis complete.
That prisoner you extracted wasn't the target, but we did get some information. Seems the prisoners aren't held together, and the cells and interrogation rooms are separate places.
Analysis complete.
Staan op! Ek gee jou die laaste kans.
This is your last chance.
Die MPLA se olieveldregter. Waar het die inligting vandaan gekom?
The MPLA's oilfield rights. Where did you get this information?
I told you. I only know it was an anonymous source.
Dit was 'n anonieme bron.
Moenie my vir 'n poepel vat nie.
You're not fooling anybody.
Ask any of the others. Nobody knows anything.
Hy sê jy moet die ander probeer vra.
O, so hulle het saam 'n storie opgemaak. Dit is hoekom jy nie die Britte kan vertrou nie. Weet jy hoeveel Afrikaners sit onder die hele gelei tydens die Boereoorlog?
You made up a story with the others. You British are all liars. You know how much the Afrikaners suffered because of you in the Boer War.
That wasn't me.
Hy sê dit was nie hy nie.
Maar dit was julle wat ons verraai het.
But it was you that betrayed us.
It wasn't me. It was the Viscount.
Genoeg! As jy niks weet nie, is ons seker klaar hier.
So, our rescue target was behind some kind of plot. Boss, I did some digging, and it seems the target himself gave us this mission through a representative. Obviously, he couldn't contact us directly due to his predicament, but still, something about this Viscount doesn't add up.
Extraction arrived at Mother Base. Analysis complete.
Moenie skiet nie.
I'll never forget this.
Champion, dis jullie team. Je moet de weg om het uit te checken. Stuur een stuk. Oor. Dat is CP, begrijp. Scan security en weer vakker. Uit.
That prisoner wasn't the target either. We got some more information, though. They're going to interrogate the target at night.
Analysis complete. Analysis complete. Analysis complete. Analysis complete. Analysis complete. Analysis complete.
Where did you get the information on the MPLA's oil field rights?
Nah, I really don't know.
Sy sê dat sy niks weet.
Analysis complete.
So jy verwag van my om te glo. Jy het die MPLA gekontak op inligting van 'n anonieme bron.
You mean you attempted to contact the MPLA based on information from an unknown source?
I didn't. I didn't try to hide anything. The Viscount said to keep quiet for now. That's all.
Sy sê sy het nie bedoel om iets weg te steek nie, maar die burggraaf het haar stilgehou.
Ha! Dis as die burggraaf se skuld. Goed. Die burggraaf kan ons die res vertel.
En 'n Viscount can tell us the rest.
Wait! At least talk to the Viscount.
Hou jou bek.
Analysis complete. Analysis complete. Analysis complete.
This most recent prisoner wasn't the target either. So we did learn the target's field of movement.
Sjeepje, de stuur 6. Je voelt ze in de groep kijken. Het bleek ons het aandringen. Het onderzoek. Word. De CFTF klaar. Alles gaat verder. Dus niet omgeven. Reading on
The
the
map has been updated.
This is a list of prisoner detainment locations.
Obtained. The map has been updated. Extraction failed. Analysis complete.
Don't forget to check indoors. There may be clues regarding the target's whereabouts.
Analysis complete. Analysis complete. Clouds approaching.
That looks like the target.
Has been updated. Mission info has been updated. The map has been updated. Extraction arrived at Mother Base.
Thank you.
Development project has been added.
Target extraction confirmed. Get yourself out of the hot zone. By chopper or by land. It's your choice. We can sure use that interpreter too. Think you can extract him?
Mission info has been updated. Extraction arrived at Mother Base. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Analysis complete. Analysis complete.
Alright, that's the interpreter extracted. All you need to do now is exfiltrate the hot zone.
Analysis, the map has been updated. attempt complete.
What is get talk? What?
Afrikaans is the lingua franca for mercs in that area. If you're going to get any information from interrogations, you'll need an interpreter.
Analysis outpost captured. Caution, rain approaching.
You destroyed their anti-air radar? It wasn't one of the targets, but that's put a hole in their air surveillance. The chopper will be able to get in close now. You can designate a landing zone near the outpost.
Helicopter requested. Analysis complete.
This is B-Quad. Arriving shortly at LZ.
Analysis complete.
This is B-Quad. Have arrived at LZ. Will stand by. Gaining altitude. Departing.
Extraction arrived at Mother Base. Unit function added.
Mission complete, and how? They're gonna tell stories about this one, boss. Boss, one of the other British prisoners filled us in about the Viscount. It turns out he's a real two-faced son of a bitch. He was planning to secure the MPLA's oil field rights for himself in exchange for swapping the CFA's alliance from the anti-government United rebels to the state-backed MPLA. He hid this from the Afrikaners, but once he thought the jig was up, he tried to pin it on the other British personnel and take off. The Afrikaners captured him, and that was when he asked us to rescue him, and only him. I'll throw him in the brig for now, but we may have to be extra persuasive with this one. By the way, boss, we got some interesting news out of our friend the Viscount. He mentioned that more than a few PFs in the region have purchased walker gears. The CFA's the same. That's Soviet Army technology, and it's still a prototype. Only Cypher could be leaking it to the PFs. But the question is, why?
Side ops
Boss,
list.
one of the latest missions to come in is connected to the walker gears. This could be our chance to close in on Cypher. Take a look at your mission list.
Please select a mission. Please select a landing zone, heading to Mother Base.
Boss, I need to talk to you about this. Quiet. Can you meet me at her cell here on the base? Whenever's fine. Thanks.
She, refuses to wear clothes. The last staff member who tried to dress her, breathing through tubes. Other than that, she's completely cooperative. She understands English. She never speaks, sweats, or breathes. What? Well, not with lungs, at least. She breathes through her skin. Clothing would suffocate her. Showers are okay, but she can't be submerged.
What's wrong with her?
She's drinking through her skin.
She's okay?
She's okay. She just can't move when she's taking in water. Look. See that? She hasn't eaten a thing since she got here.
She doesn't eat either?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. That's the verdict from the medical staff?
No, the jury's still out. It's the only explanation for what we've seen. The GRU had a man with that ability in its Cobra unit. Now, we don't think she's contagious. Some of the staff can't stomach her. It's starting to affect morale.
Can't you send her on a mission?
By herself? No. But as you know, she does have skill. Why not take her out on one of your missions? She seems to like you. Of course, Only if you think she'll be useful. Next time you go out, you keep her in mind.
Side op completed.
That won't work on me. I've had drug resistant. Up 2 plus 2 equals 5. 2 plus 2 equals 5. That won't work on me. I've had drug resistance. Lolly-loo-lay-lo. Lolly-loo-lay-lo. What's it?
Thank you, boss.
Select unit. Staff dismissed. Please landing zone confirmed.
Roger.
Weather surveillance indicates turbulence out there. Try not to get knocked out of the sky.
Got it.
Quiet? Where does she think she's going?
You want to head out with the boss?
That'll be the day.
I don't see a problem with it, so long as she's with you. She's a crack shot, damn fine scout. Well suited for a clandestine op. Which is more than I can say for the others.
There's nothing damn fine about this... thing.
Here.
Hey,
Blades.
wait a minute! That thing costs a lot of money!
Can see each individual blade and a depth perception.
Want in?
This is ridiculous. She doesn't talk. How could you possibly stay in communication?
Right. I like working solo anyway.
Looks like you've gotten used to working with Quiet. I don't see a problem with giving her some new weapons. I've already talked it over with the R&D team.
Unit function added.
Being a scout sniper, there are 2 tasks you can give Quiet. The first is to infiltrate an outpost ahead of you and scout out the enemy's positions. The second is to send her to a sniping position and have her cover your infiltration. The kind of sniper support she'll provide will depend on the weapon you give her. Of course, this is all assuming she's willing to follow orders.
Please specify a project.